Hello friends, this is an introductory video of coordinate geometry. The major concepts covered in the chapter are Introduction to Coordinate Geometry, Distance Formula, Applications and Problems on Distance Formula, and Section Formula. In this video, we will have Introduction to Coordinate Geometry and discuss about two cases of distance formula. Let us start with introduction. Coordinate geometry has been developed as an algebraic tool for studying geometry of figures. It helps us to study geometry using algebra and understand algebra with the help of geometry. Coordinate geometry is widely applied in various fields such as physics, engineering, navigation, etc. Google Maps and photocopier are two major examples wherein coordinate geometry is used in our daily lives. We have already studied how to locate the position of a point using a pair of coordinate axes which are perpendicular to each other. This you have studied in your class 9th. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called the x-coordinate or abscissa. The distance of a point from x-axis is called the y-coordinate or ordinate. In other words, the distance along the y-axis is called the ordinate. There is a difference between two terms, namely coordinate and ordinate. The term coordinate represents the position of a point according to the two axes, whereas the term ordinate represents the value of the coordinate on the y-axis. So, in short, if xy indicates the position of a point in a plane, then the coordinate is xy, where x is the abscissa and y is the ordinate. Now let us see an example. Here we can see 12, 5 as the coordinate. 12, 5 is the coordinate, where 12 is the abscissa and 5 is the ordinate. We have to note that the coordinate of a point on the x-axis are of the form x0 and of a point on the y-axis are of the form 0y. Now let us consider two cases of distance between the 2 points on the graph. Case 1. Distance between 2 points on y-axis is given by the difference between their ordinates. Whereas in case 2 we have distance between 2 points on the x-axis is given by the difference between the abscissa. Let A and B be 2 points on the y-axis, given as A is 0, 5 and B is 0, minus 3. This is an example wherein we have to find the distance between A and B. Here A is equal to 0, 5 and B is equal to 0, minus 3. Hence the distance AB is given by AB is equal to 5 minus 3. That is 5 plus 3. That is 8 units. Let us see another example. Now if x is equal to 0, minus 13 and y is equal to 0, minus 5, then find the distance between x and y. Here again the x coordinate is 0, whereas the ordinate, the y coordinate is minus 13. Again the abscissa is 0 and the y coordinate or ordinate is minus 5. So what is the distance between the two, x and y? What is the distance? The distance will be the difference of the two ordinates. That is minus 5 minus 13. So we have minus 5 plus 13, that is 8 units. You can write opposite also. But distance is always taken as positive. Now let us take the final example. This is according to the case 2 we have read earlier. Let A and B be 2 points on the x-axis, given as A is 5, 0. Now 0 is the y coordinate, that is the ordinate, and B is minus 3, 0. Again we have y coordinate or ordinate as 0. So what will be the distance between A and B? Here A is 5, 0 and B is minus 3, 0, and distance AB will be given as difference between the abscissa, that is 5 minus 3, which is 5 plus 3, 8 units, again a positive number. So this is all for today. Thank you.